Welcome. If you use Pinterest on your PC and want to stay on top of your saved ideas, enabling reminders push notifications is a great way to never miss a thing. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to allow these notifications on the Pinterest app for PC with the latest update. First, open your Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the left side menu where you'll see several icons. Find and click on the gear icon. It's the shortcut to your settings. After clicking the gear icon, you'll enter the settings menu. Scroll through the options until you find notifications. Click on it to open your notification preferences. Inside the notifications section, look for the option labeled Reminders at Pins You Saved. This is where Pinterest will notify you about pins you've saved and might want to revisit or act on. To activate reminders, simply toggle the push notification switch to the on position. This means you'll get alerts directly on your desktop or browser when it's time to check back on those pins. Finally, don't forget to click Save at the bottom or top of the page to confirm your changes. Once saved, your Pinterest app will start sending you those helpful reminder notifications. Allowing these push notifications ensures you stay updated and inspired by your collections without having to constantly check Pinterest manually. It's a handy feature for organizing your projects, shopping lists, recipes, or any creative plans you've pinned. That's all it takes to enable reminders, push notifications on Pinterest for PC. Open the app, access settings via the gear icon, go into notifications, enable reminders for your saved pins, and save your preferences. Now you're all set to get timely nudges from Pinterest to keep your ideas fresh and top of mind. Thanks for watching.